Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you need an all-around solid garden hose for your backyard, check out this one from TOOLCY. This hose is super durable, but it still feels really lightweight and easy to use and to move it around, no matter what types of chores I find myself doing around the house. We got this hose in a 100-foot length, so it's got a lot of room, which is great because we have a pretty large yard, but you can get it in other sizes too. We have been using it for all kinds of things, from filling up our pool to watering plants and just general cleaning and maintenance around the house. It just works so well. It's got a swivel design on the male fitting, which is really nice because it moves super freely. It goes wherever you need to go without getting hung up on anything, which is a really great feature in a garden hose. Where we live is really hot right now, and I haven't noticed any warping or any permanent kinks at all, and we've been using it for several weeks with no issues. It arrived really well packaged with no damage, and when we first got it, we made sure to fully extend the hose, lay it out flat, and then let the water run through it for a couple of minutes just to relax it and to reduce any kinks from the get-go. After we did that, it's been smooth sailing, and this hose has been working out so well for all of our outside chores. It's been really easy when we're finished to just follow the direction of the twist of the hose and loop it easily on the ground, and it's neat, tidy, and ready for whatever we have to do next. So overall, this garden hose has definitely exceeded our expectations. It feels super solid, it's held up super well, and been really easy to maneuver around despite its long length. This hose is definitely a must-have for any homeowner. And that's my point of view.